6 northbound, any second now.
Copy traffic, Oscar November, okay.
Yankee November Yankee, there is a helicopter inbound from the east, they're about 2 miles east. You can report airborne.
Copy Oscar November Echo, airborne now sir, Yankee November Yankee. Okay guys, we're off. Dun, 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 dun. Still going to follow the little yellow brick road. And off we go.
Sydney Tower, Keeling 116, ready.
Keeling 116 at A, taxi holding point Tango 6.
Oh, this is a gusty little wind on the ground.
Tango 6.
As we get nice and calm when we get up.
Lost the 858, you can line up and wait on 3 for right.
Right, 3 for right, lost the 858.
Into the mountains today, that's pretty unusual for summer.
That's really clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very clear.
Yankee November Yankee, call departure, see ya.
I just see, so Yankee November Yankee.
We keep on with 280 and use on 118.
It's very, very clear.
61 South, Sierra Oscar Lima is an RV6, Colonel 500 southbound.
How did you learn to fly then, Scott?
Pardon?
How did you learn to fly? Was it military or?
I was in the military in the army, but I got it as a civilian.
Oh.
And then I joined the army. I did it backwards for some reason. So 1 sec. Sydney departures, helicopter Yankee November Yankee, establish Harbour Reach 5 1000.
Yankee Yankee departures identified.
Yankee November Yankee. Yeah, so I basically was doing private military work over in East Africa, was sick of getting shot at and thought the pilots had a better life, became a civilian pilot, got bored of that, became a military pilot, and then found out I was going to be flying a desk, so then came back I'm a civilian pilot. So that's a very short story of my life in a nutshell in terms of aviation. But I'm pretty lucky though because both have kind of helped each other. So there's a lot of Muppet civilian pilots and there's a lot of Muppet military pilots. I'm not saying that I'm not a Muppet, but I've got a nice balance of the two, which is good.
Is on 118, cancel to turn left, I've taken left, heading 130.
It's on to 130 and use on 118.
51 traffic, Bravo Delta Golf, Piper Archer is at the
Where are you both from?
500.
Newcastle, northeast of England.
I know Newcastle. My best mate's a Geordie.
Hello. Does he work?
Pardon?
Where does he work?
He is in London these days. I don't know who he worked for, but we grew up together, went to school together, went to uni together, and all his family were out in Australia these days, and he moved back to London a couple of years ago.
What's it,
Does finance.
right.
But he loves it.
It always amazes me why people move back to the UK from here.
See, it's funny, I'm on the other side of the spectrum. I'd love to be in the UK right now.
Really?
I love it, yeah. This is too hot for me. I like the cold misery. So look at this building over here with all the trees and plants on it. Remarkable. Now, we are going to get some turbulence going through the city just due to the vortices created by the buildings, but I always say to passengers, when you start to see me panicking, it's time to panic.
Yeah.
Sit back on the side. You see Sydney Tower there? We're actually flying at about the same level, if not a little bit lower than it.
Right.
The British Cathedral level.
Manly 1.
Romeo 405, traffic helicopter Yankee November Yankee is Darling Harbour. 1000, tracking for South Pylon, figure 84 Denison, Romeo 405.
4 southbound, Julie, copy, go.
This traffic, Victor 1 South, Sierra
Oscar Lima
So
long, have a good day.
Have you done the bridge climb?
Yeah, yesterday.
Okay, I was going to say, you're about to do it again.
Yeah, we did it yesterday. We did it 2 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I did it a couple of times. Yeah, it's quite high with those houses.
Oh, that's fantastic. Many in together.
Wow.
Fantastic view, isn't it?
It's incredible, isn't it? You never get sick of it.
Yeah. Absolutely unbelievable. Yeah, we were standing up there yesterday.
The head's tracking southbound coastal 1000, Victor 1.
A few of the blue rig climbers.
Over Tango, Long Bay, 500, tracking southbound for Cape Banks.
Just amazing.
Oh, it's incredible.
That's got to be the best view in the world, I think.
There's the Darth Vader boat down there next to the Opera House.
Oh, yeah.
The strangest looking ship that you'll see when you come round. The
Yeah.
boys
Yeah.
just blacked out windows. It looks like Darth Vader's helmet. Now I'll try and find some giraffes for you. So Taronga Zoo's just over here.
Oh, it's
Little Fort Denison down there. So what we're looking for, can you see those kind of like two triangular orangey kind of buildings just in front there?
Yeah.
The little eaves, just straight down here.
Oh, straight down?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, in there.
There's a very silver flat top roof up the top there.
Yeah.
Next to the in front of the silver flat top roof, there's a sandy area. You see that big sandy area,
Yeah,
like a
yeah.
triangle? There's two giraffes standing there, one in the front, one in the back.
Right, heading 155.
In that little sandy area, right down there, next to the silver building. Right down there.
Here's the 118, resume and nav, track direct to
Do
Gerald.
you see that?
Victor Gerald.
Oh,
Next to the very smooth, flat silver building. That's all good. It's not the highlight of the tour, it's just I like pointing at giraffes every now and again. Point Piper just over here, average house price about 40 to 50 mil.
Where?
It's Peninsula here.
Really?
Yeah. As I slowly lose my voice.
50?
Yeah, there's one house on there for 100 mil at the moment. Whether he'll get it, I do not know.
100 mil, wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. Only enough into home loans.
Unbelievable.
Ah, this is not. Strange old world we live in. There's the Sydney Cricket Ground in Allianz Stadium where England keep beating us at every bloody sport known to man, but we just keep smiling.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, they're not beating you in squash.
What,
You've got a good squash player.
Oh, is it? Oh, good.
Australia, yeah. In the top 10 in the world.
What's his name?
Cameron Pilley.
Don't know.
Yeah, I think he's from, where is he from? Melbourne he's from.
Really?
My Foxtrot, Yankee Remy, is it rush cutters? No change frequency. Okay. Lost the 858.
1 traffic, close line November Oscar, Oscar, northbound 1000, tracking northbound coastal, Victor 1 traffic. Start turning here, Grant.
Did you call me then, Grant? Scotty?
No, I was calling your colleague, I was calling Grant, he's next PT, we're just holding together.
Oh, that's lovely. What are you holding?
Hands.
I'm not saying anything more over the radio.
Relief.
Good. You can see the open air cinema just down there with the screen in the water.
Yeah, oh yeah, don't know.
There's a Darth Vader ship down there.
Oh, right. Is that not parked in,
Technical guard?
Darwin Harbour, yes, this morning?
Oh yeah, would have been.
Yeah, I was in Darwin Harbour this morning.
Strange looking boat. This is HMAS Cuttable or Garden Island down here, military base,
Yeah,
or naval base.
Saw that yesterday, a couple of days ago, aircraft carrier.
They're actually helicopter carriers, which is a strange one. So they can't put fixed wings on them. They're only built for helicopters. There's a nice bit of turbulence.
Yeah, for my Foxtrot Expo Tango, I'll just follow you around.
Lost the 858, resume and nav, track to Tanto, climb kilometre 280.
Direct to Tanto, flight level 280, velocity 858.
So we've got Rush Cutters Bay here, Double Bay here, Rose Bay, and what's I'm telling you in Sydney for?
Or we go tomorrow?
Go tomorrow. Yeah. Have you got plans for tonight?
Not really, no. Not yet.
Watson's Bay is always nice. I always point Watson's Bay out to people because it's got a lovely view of the city. And you can quite happily sit back, relax, have a few pints and watch the sunset over the city. It is beautiful.
Oh, right.
So it's just this bay. I'll show you when we go around the peninsula.
Got to see the sunset from the bridge last night. We're really lucky.
Oh, serious?
Yeah, we saw it, yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's fab.
That's fantastic. So it's nice to get a beautiful clear day. You can see that big headland in the background. This is the central coast of New South Wales. Coming in, that's all the northern beaches of Sydney. So going up to that wonderful home of that TV documentary, Home and Away, Palm Beach and Summer Bay, filmed all the way up there.
Heading right 350, passing 1,900 on climb 3,000.
3116 identified.
You're about to see a very strange sight. The beaches are packed today. I haven't seen this busy in a long time. Sydney departures, helicopter Yankee November Yankee requesting Bondi 4 southbound, please.
Yankee, clear Bondi 4 southbound.
Bondi 4 southbound, Yankee November Yankee. Balmoral Beach, one of my favourite beaches on the North Shore.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah. Absolutely beautiful.
So on this side you've got, I forgot the name of it, Manly Cove, on the other side Manly Beach. Just over here where you can see all those pines, and Norfolk pines.
We went the other day in the rain.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was lovely. Walking along the beach in the rain. Yeah, I like that. Like being in the UK, was it?
The girl I'm dating at the moment was all, she was horrified that it was raining the other day when we both had a day off. And she's like, I can't go to the beach. I said, why can't we go to the beach? It's just rain. It's not going to kill us. We're not going to melt.
It's so warm.
Yeah. Well, she thought it was cold. She's crazy. Romeo 405, Victor on traffic, helicopter Yankee November Yankee, X ahead, striking southbound, coastal CTA, Romeo 405, Victor 1. There's strange people out there.
Velocity 858, contact 125.0.
1250, velocity 858.
There we go, see, this is Watson's Bay, that's the view you've got from Watson's Bay, so really lovely.
Oh, wow, yeah.
There's a big red roof building down there next to the little park. You can take a ferry there. I don't know what time the ferries go though, or what time they go till, but really lovely.
What's that there called, did you say? What's that called?
Oh, which one?
The one that you were saying that you can see the...
Watson's Bay.
Watson, yeah.
On a 536 to
The sandstone cliffs go up to about 80 metres here. Really beautiful.
Yes, fantastic close.
Traffic head visual.
Semi Fox, clear Bondi 4 southbound.
Clear Bondi 4 southbound, South.
I think it's Bondi coming up here.
Yeah, this is Bondi.
Yeah.
Yeah, we absolutely love that beach. Just an amazing place.
Yeah, it really is.
We were there a couple of days ago, it was absolutely heaving.
What was it?
Maintain 5,000.
No speed restrictions, 5,000 Singapore 222.
Oh, it's kind of heaving today too.
That's busy,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's busy, isn't it?
It almost reminds me of when you kick up an ant's nest.
Yeah.
3,000, 5,000.
On a 447 departures identified.
You ever see sharks when you're flying over?
No, not really.
447.
Probably because the water's dark, you can't quite see them, I think.
Well, they're normally a lot deeper down rather than the surface. Dolphins, whales we see.
Yeah, they only caught the bait, don't they? And then they go back down again.
That's it.
Oh, it's really busy today.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's unbelievable. Yeah, very busy.
Singapore 222, contact 1359er.
359 Singapore.
Did you do a little coastal walk whilst you were here?
No, that's far too much exercise.
Turn right heading 160.
The legs are killing us off a bridge, guys.
We're doing 330 knots.
Nice little panorama and Bondi Beach, also lovely little beaches.
On a 447 speed.
Waverley Cemetery, just up here.
Clark Island 900 westbound. So again, close 447.
447, speed 300 or less when you're ready.
300
wow.
accelerating. Thank you, close 447.
On a 536.
Can a club or something, guys, or a cooling club?
Link 116, climb, follow for 190.
Climb flight 190.
Well, Clovelly seems to be everywhere is pumping today along the
It's a nice little inlet there, isn't it?
It's a great spot. There's
Sydney Tower, velocity 951.
Okuji.
Velocity 951, g'day. Give way to the inbound corner 737.
Check Island down here.
For 34 right.
Looking nice and pretty in the water.
Corner 737, then clear to Tango 634 right, velocity 951.
Corner 923, number 1 to the outbound Virgin.
923, copy, thanks.
Sydney Tower, like the Yankee requesting my performing now 525.
Yankee November Yankee, g'day again. Cleared, Maroubra for inbound.
Cleared Maroubra for inbound, Yankee November Yankee, cheers sir.
Hey, g'day, velocity 526.
This is Maroubra, famous surf beach. There hasn't been a lot of surf down there.
40 degrees at 20 knots.
This is the ocean cool down here.
Nice waves,
For
actually.
right, cleared land.
The Bondi doesn't seem to have very big waves, I suppose. It's depending on the weather, I suppose. But
At the moment, there hasn't been big waves for about 3 weeks now. It's been very relaxed. In terms of surf.
Just by 414, g'day. Taxi, holding point Tango 6 for 34 right.
Holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right, jet star 414.
Yankee November Yankee, clear visual approach to your pad. Wind 040 degrees at 20 knots, report on the ground.
Clear visual approach, Hotel 5, copy wind, Yankee November Yankee, cheers sir.
Done.
Tower 01 Fox approaching Maroubra, request inbound clearance.
Silmai Foxtrot, g'day. Clear Maroubra for inbound.
Clear Maroubra for inbound, South Fox.
Jet star 414 ready.
Just by 414.
Oh, the latest golf course, I think it's something like 100 golf courses in Sydney, it's amazing.
quite big, aren't they? That's
All
all one, is it? Oh, that can't be all. Is that all one?
That's the one, yeah.
Uniform Mike Foxtrot.
This one I'm not sure about, but this one certainly with all the lakes, it's got the lakes.
That's approved.
Copy, visual, Zulu Golf Echo touching down, approved. For you on the grass.
Thank you.
Zulu Golf Echo on the ground.
Chile Golf Echo, thanks.
321 North, Oakland Zulu Whiskey Hotel, approaching Long Reef 1000, southbound for the harbour.
Yeah, because the main runways are Sydney Airport. Not many places in the world that we get to do this.
Yeah, I didn't realise it actually goes right out the sea there.
Yeah, all reclaimed land in Botany Bay. So that's Botany Bay where Captain Cook first landed.
Mike Foxtrot, request your best speed inbound please. You have clear visual approach to your pad. Wind 030 degrees at 18 knots. Report on the ground.
Yeah, helicopters around there.
Yeah, there is.
Knowledge the wind. South Fox, right, select then.
Roger.
Uniform Fox on number.
Uniform Mike Foxtrot, thank you.
Sydney Tower, Tigo 620, Reading, hold shortest 0.
Tigo 620, g'day. Taxi holding point Tango 6 for 34 right.
Holding point Tango 634 right, Tigo 620.
Charlie Golf Yankee, November Yankees, Hotel 5.
Thank you.
He sounds mildly stressed, the controller. You know, give me a score out of 10 with this one, with the wind.
Sydney Tower, what's your 954?
At the moment it's about a 3.
954, good day.
Maybe a 4. There you go, I'm just going to shut down.
That's something we've got to do now.
Yeah.
Then we'll come bridge claiming.